Here's the iconic halfway point sign. It's not totally accurate, but pretty cool to see it. Good morning. Last night I was at Tom's Run shelter in Pennsylvania. I just passed the halfway point that everybody takes pictures at. Saw that, which was pretty cool. And now I'm heading into Pine Grove Furnace State Park, where I'm going to stay at a hostel called Ironmasters or something, and then get ice cream at Pine Grove Furnace store. I only have to do 3.7 miles to get there. It's about 8 in the morning, so I'm gonna have most of my day there, which is good. So I've had a lot of time to think over the last week or so, and you know, I really do believe that backpacking is glorified and romanticized badly on the internet. I know a lot of people that think I'm just like off on a vacation right now, and it's like, yeah, I'm extremely privileged to be able to do this financially. But I also worked hard to be able to do this, but it's not a vacation. You know, it's like extremely physically and mentally grueling. I know that I was guilty of watching a lot of YouTube like documentaries on the Appalachian Trail, and like most of them are about an hour long. And while they do show some bad parts, like maybe a clip of bad weather or of them upset, generally it's all the great, amazing, beautiful views, the good times with people, the fun times in town, and when they're happy. And while those things do happen on a backpacking trip, you have to remember that if it's the PCT or the Appalachian Trail or whatever you're watching a video on, you are watching 1 hour of somebody's 6 or 7 month, maybe a little less depending, journey. You're watching 1 hour. That's it. You're not watching the 8 to 12 hours that they hike every day and all the times that there's no views. Like right now in Pennsylvania, I've just been hiking through the woods the whole time, basically. I'm like 30 or 40 miles, 30 miles into Pennsylvania, and it's just been woods. The times that like for hours I'm just staring down at rocks and trying not to fall, and or sweating up a hill, you know, when you don't feel the pain of their feet hurting. Like, I just want to point that out. I mean, a lot of my viewers are backpackers, so like you guys know, but I think one of my big problems with my Appalachian Trail through hike attempt was that I watched all these videos, and I had only gone out for like 2 or 3 days prior to that, which does not gauge if you're going to be able to handle weeks on end. And I watched these videos and it looked amazing all the time. And I didn't put into perspective the fact that you're walking every day for 30 days times 5, times 6. Like, it's a lot of days of just walking many, many, many miles every day. I just looked down and realized the bugs nailed me yesterday. I think that's just this leg too. The other leg has more. Like I said, hiking is really hard, and no matter what you're doing, whether you're day hiking and just climbing up one big mountain, or you're section hiking and doing a few weeks or a couple months, or you're doing a whole damn trail, it's so hard and overly romanticized, even though there are really fun times, you know? I'm like 0.4 miles from the Pine Grove Furnace store and the hostel, so I'm super excited. in Ironmaster's mansion in Pine Grove Furnace State Park today, and I'm under a bunk bed, but someone left diaper rash paste in the hiker box, so I had to put some on. Look what I found! Bad. Gonna try to keep up with her tomorrow.
I'm so excited. Just to hike with somebody else.
I know, me too. Oh my god, so exciting.
So I booked